Hey guys, right now my kidney is really hurting right now, and they want the doctors, in order to check it out, they have to shove a camera up I think it's called urethra. I hope I'm not saying like the female organ or something, because I really don't know the term that well. But yeah, they want to shove a camera up through the male organ, and then all the way through the pee hole, and then through the kidney. It's like and they showed me the camera. They said they had a drug that would be able to make me forget about the situation, but not go to sleep during the situation. So I didn't really want that, because that probably messed my brain up. So yeah, it sucks. The reason why they wanted to check it at first, because I was peeing a lot of blood. Like I basically said, I'm not peeing anymore, I'm bleeding. And that was like 4 or 5 months ago though. A couple days ago I accidentally let some blood out, I guess. Again. But it did stop, like, for some odd reason. I'd stopped peeing blood as soon as that ammonia cleared up, I think. Like, I don't feel good. Really don't feel good. Man, doctors, you need to step up your game and get those good x-rays that can search through a kidney or something, man. Because that camera, no, I can't do that camera. Unless if they could put me to sleep during it, but they can't do that. I really don't want to see. I don't want to see. I don't want to feel that. Because already, one time, I was at the doctor's and I don't know what it was. I think it was, what was it? It was like I think it was my kidneys hurting. And like it was hard to stand up straight. And so what they did is they got 2 bags of this clear liquid, and they gave me an enema with those 2 gallons of liquid. What an enema is well, they shove it up the other organ on the backside where the sun don't shine, and they start pumping medicine up there. And the thing is, like, when I told the new doctor that wanted to do the urethra camera thing, he said, "Oh wow, that's weird, because they really shouldn't have done that for that reason." And yeah, I didn't like that situation, not at all. I don't trust doctors that much. Man, I just want to say, as the years go on, you'll see people change, but don't change with them. Be who you think is best to be. That's my advice for this video. Yeah. Just because you see someone using a certain type of acting or certain type of way with handling people doesn't mean you should do the same, because they're getting a lot of good reviews for it, for thinking, because there's a lot of people that think being a edgy, mean person is being a meme. Now, I didn't know what a meme was for a long time, and I think there's a reason why I didn't know what a meme was. Memes are not as good as they seem to be. They just only seem to be good is because a lot of people like them. If you really looked into it, you'd see it's just a lot of toxicness, a lot of hatefulness, a lot of negativity, a lot of the stuff that you really shouldn't be laughing at, but you do find yourself laughing at. That's what a meme is. And that's why I didn't get it at first. Because the reason why I wasn't laughing is because I found it pretty hateful stuff. I was like, well, a joke is supposed to be, make you laugh and make you feel good. Those memes don't really do that, though. I wouldn't really put them in the joke category, as a lot of people think they fit in. Just think more people think. That's all I gotta say. Stay tuned for more, I guess. Maybe. I'm gonna upload more, most definitely. In fact, I'm actually working on a new rap right now, because you all liked the first rap I did, the one I actually wrote down, and it's called Later Says a New Creator. So I'm making another rap, and the name for that one will be Relax, Sit Back, and Enjoy. Relax, sit back, and enjoy. Yeah, I already got the first verse and one first chorus written down, so pretty good so far. And that's about a minute so far. Yeah, a minute. I'd say 60 seconds at most, because the first verse, it, half of it turns into a fast-paced rap. Oh, I don't feel good. I really don't feel good. Good luck. Good game.